Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to cancel your DoorDash order. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick it till the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now this really depends entirely on your order progress. So say if you have ordered something and immediately decide to cancel this, you can go ahead and do something about it. All you need to do is to go into your orders right here on the bottom right, where you should be able to see some form of progress and a way for you to go ahead and contact the restaurant or the delivery itself. Then there should be some form of contact information here so that you can go ahead and cancel your order. Now this again depends on the progress of your order. If say for example that your order is already on the way, then it may be difficult to cancel this order. Now make sure to go ahead and cancel this order as soon as you have ordered the food, if ever you decide to cancel this. Well, I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.